I'm Steve Hilty.
I'm Megan Hilty.
Live in the North Hills of Pittsburgh and chose Pittsburgh best to do our kitchen.
We actually had a few contractors that we had come in and just didn't get our vision. So Pittsburgh Best really saw what we wanted, understood what we wanted. Missy was awesome with that.
They listened to what we were looking for and really were able to make this what we wanted, like what was in our heads, they were able to put in place. I think the one thing, and this was really credit to Meg, is that we planned on being in this house for a very long time, and we wanted something that would be timeless. And I think with her ideas and what Missy was able to achieve, I think we achieved it. So Sam was our carpenter. It almost felt as if Sam was part of the family by the end of this. Any little hiccup, any scratch, anything that was done during the work, he made sure everything was flawless by the time he left. He left a clean work site each day, which was good for us having tiny kids, but also never really, it never always would tell us what he was doing that day. So expectations were met routinely.
Everybody in our family, both of our families, we have big families, everybody ends up in the kitchen. So to have a place where we can all hang out and there's plenty of room to actually be in here, hang out, but also be cooking is nice to, have that space. So I definitely think the island's my favorite.
Really the biggest project that we did to date. However, it was the smoothest project that we did. And that was all credit to the team at Pittsburgh's Best to, keep things within reason. There was a level of trust there that they were never, they never overstepped themselves. They always met the commitments that they gave us. More so, they even, they superseded what they promised us. It was a great experience, and if we had the money, we'd probably do another project with them as soon as possible.
I think also their communication was very nice. The way that they used Builder Trend always told us who was coming in, what day, because it was at some points there were multiple people coming in between the plumber, electrician, counters, and I think Pittsburgh Best really made sure that we were in the loop and we always knew what was going on what day. Having the sign in our front yard, everybody's asked what work we're doing. We said, Pittsburgh Best has done wonderful things with our kitchen and we've been very pleased with it.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.